Good afternoon, friends. It's me, Nick, again, your friend in the spirit, on a beautiful August day here in New Haven, Connecticut. We are going to take a little walk through a beautiful hidden pathway, which I believe in the Westville community is called the River Walk, if I'm not mistaken, and it's very beautiful, and it's a shortcut between two city streets. Whaley Avenue behind me, and straight ahead Blake Street. And I won't say another word, it speaks for itself. It's so very beautiful, even with urban blight and the different, you'll see huge apartment complexes they're building over here. The little river walk, glory to God, is still here. And I'll just say briefly that another reason I'm making this little video to share with everyone is in memory of my mother, Virginia DeSantis, who really loved to take walks in nature, and she loved to garden. And every time I take a walk or I see a beautiful flower or a tree, Mother, I think of you. I think of your love and your kindness. So dearly beloved, simply enjoy the sights and sounds of the little West River, the beautiful plants and vines, which I must say are really proliferating. There's a lot of glare and a beautiful breeze, so I can't really see what I'm filming, but I trust we will get a sense of this beautiful place and this beautiful little hidden path, which for me is very magical and peaceful.